Dear kids, in this video we will learn the family of alphabet H. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
H.
H.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H.
H.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
H.
H.
H for hippopotamus.
H for hippopotamus.
H.
H.
H for house.
H for house.
H.
H.
H for hen.
H for hen.
H.
H.
H for hat.
H for hat.
H.
H.
H for heart.
H for heart.
H.
H.
H for hammer.
H for hammer.
Dear kids, let's learn and practice how to write and trace alphabet letter H.
Okay, let's start. Please like and subscribe ABC TV channel.